Is your garage door damaged and in need of repair? You're not alone. Many homeowners in Arlington, Texas face this issue. Garage doors can suffer from various types of damage due to weather conditions or daily wear and tear. But the good news is, most of these issues can be repaired. Garage doors in Arlington often show signs of damage like bent panels, broken springs, and misaligned tracks. Understanding these common issues is vital. Let's break them down. Dented or bent panels are often caused by vehicle impacts or strong winds. Depending on the severity, you can replace panels or repair them with specialized tools. Broken springs are another common issue. Garage doors rely on these springs to function. When they break, the door becomes hard to lift. A professional can replace these springs, restoring functionality. Frayed or broken lift cables are also typical. These cables help move the door up and down. When they snap, the door may get stuck or move unevenly. Technicians can easily replace these cables. Additionally, track misalignment can lead to jamming. If your door isn't gliding smoothly, a technician can realign or replace the tracks. Sometimes the problem isn't with the door, but with the opener itself. Issues like faulty wiring or motor failure can stop the door from moving. A trained professional can quickly identify and solve these problems. While some minor tasks can be done at home, such as lubricating tracks or tightening bolts, complex issues should always be left to professionals. DIY repairs can lead to further damage and safety risks without proper tools and expertise. In Arlington, professional garage door repair services are readily available. Experienced technicians can identify problems swiftly and perform necessary repairs. They can also provide maintenance tips to prevent future issues, ensuring your garage door remains in excellent condition. How do you know when to call an expert? Keep an eye out for a garage door that won't open or close fully, loud noises during operation, visible damage, slow responses from the opener, or if the door is off its tracks. Addressing these issues promptly is crucial. A malfunctioning door can create safety hazards and inconvenience. Homeowners in Arlington should stay vigilant, especially during stormy seasons, to keep their garage doors well maintained. In summary, don't hesitate to seek professional help if you notice any signs of damage. Trust skilled garage door repair professionals to handle these problems safely and effectively. This ensures your garage door operates smoothly, restoring your peace of mind. Contact a professional today.